How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, we're showcasing the Platinum Premier in a cabin style. Now, I brought to you several different options in the Platinum Premier, since it's been such a popular floor plan and one of our most sought after since it has arrived. But this week, I'm bringing it to you in a cabin style. You can see from the exterior pictures, we went with a stained hardy siding and a copper roof. Once the light hits that copper roof, it shines like a new dime on your property. And guys, you can see here on the inside, we went more cabin style as well. We've added the hickory cabinets throughout. All in the kitchen here, we've got the elegant southern yellow pine in a stained backsplash. We've got the double windows above the sink so you can look out on each side of your property. And we went with the black appliances. We got the microwave, coil top range, and the standard refrigerator in black. But right across from it, you have your living area. You'll see we have enough size to put a decent sized couch. You can put a couple chairs, whatever works for you. And again, we always add the clear story windows. You can choose to have that option or not have it. I would recommend having it to bring in the natural light and make the space feel larger. And you see, we also have the entertainment center built in, ready for you to add your amenities. And we've got a space up above to mount a flat screen TV. Here as well on the door, we've got the blinds in the glass. Again, a fan favorite, a client favorite, being able to add in the natural light. You guys follow me right through here, and you'll see this is where we have the space for your stackable washer and dryer. You stack those up right here. They're out of the way, tucked off, and that way you can do your laundry and be efficient right here in your house without having to go to the laundromat. And then coming through, you go to the bath, and you'll see we've kept it going with the hickory cabinets. We've got the HD laminate countertop. We've got the medicine cabinet right here that will open up for you. You can put all your medicines and everything you need for 7 days a week. And we got the tile shower here as well. We went ahead and added a beautiful contrast on the tile that goes well with the hickory cabinets. And another transom window. We've got the rain shower faucet up above. And then what I love about it is it comes right through to your master. You'll see right here, you have that flow. You come in, you have enough space to fit a king size bed. Again, brought in natural light with the windows, natural light through the home from front to back. And we've got the accordion doors here for your closets. You've got two on each side, so you can have enough space for hanging clothes. And then right here in the center, you've got your built-in dresser for all your foldables. And another space right here to add a small TV for those that like to watch TV while laying in bed. And follow me right back through, and everything flows back through perfectly to the main area. The Platinum Premier is the tiny home for you that has just enough amount of space that you need for each room. You got living, kitchen, bath, sleeping. That is all you need. It takes 45 minutes tops to clean this thing front to back. This is tiny home living. This is minimal living at its finest. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, come into Recreational Resort Cottages, ask for Mr. Tiny, and ask how I can get you your very own Platinum Premier. You guys have a great day.